Hello guys, today I'm gonna do a house tour of my house because why? Because I never do it for once. Many YouTubers also did this, so yeah, I want to do that because just like in many YouTubers or somehow, and probably if you know why. But anyways, now just play the intro. So, see guys, basically this is the living room. Ignore these shoes. And this is so much the random stuff that I still had. Even though, yeah, I got, this is a random pencil. I don't know why. This is my book bag, quick. This is some random pillow. And this is the couch. The couch looks cool because I don't know why, but my parents decided to get one. Look at this stuff. It looks like they actually have everything. But there's a bunch of stuff, even though, yeah. So, the next thing of a house tour was just gonna be, or somehow, so this is the kitchen. So for somehow, see this is a pile of bread and this is the, oh yeah, this is like 2 breads I guess maybe because of it, I don't know. And there's another one. This is beans, my healthy thing in the world, which in hot chocolate bread, yeah, I made. So I actually like it. This is the sink looks like, even though that's for cleaning, and this is for that's the dishes. So here's this. You know what? Ignore it. We have a table, but this is. Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember what it is. This is the refrigerator. Yeah, my parents decided to switch to a new refrigerator. Is Whirlpool. We actually used an LG one back then, like maybe months ago, or just, I don't know. We have like some random food. Probably, yeah, some chicken nuggets from Costco. Yeah. So, this is the storage, even though that's for store stuff. This is the bathroom. You probably see why. This one used to be my studio before, but my grandparents' room right now. So this is an AC because actually we're in the summer. So, actually in the summer because it's hot here, but it's cold right now. This is my parents' room. Don't even ask why because yeah, but my brother is still here. Or is here. So this is some stuff. This the bathroom looks like. It's a trash bag, so we decided to use trash. This the toilet looks like. Yeah. This is what it looks like. This is the bathroom looks like. Probably look clean, right? So this is a quick thing. This is my room looks like. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm just gonna probably move this there. Oh, and I forgot to turn on the lights. Oh, ignore that shirt too. This is a bed. This is my bed. This is my computer. I also edited it, but for somehow when I was like playing a game, like a window game, when we write down when if I get banana, I actually removed my laptop screen. Also, yeah, I have a hinge issue, so also I got an HDMI port, so I had to use this USB for storage because this is a car key. Just pass. This is some random stuff like this is a white. This is Google Home. This is the gateway computer. This is a remote for the AC, the air conditioner. This is my plushie. This one is my other plushie. This is my brother's blanket. It's a bunch of random stuff. This is a shoe case. I first decided to put in separate. This is my, yeah, I forgot. I forgot to put this one over there. This is what my chair looks like. It looks good, even though it's been used for 6 months. It was my birthday, but actually has that other stuff. But still, good condition. It's still usable, I guess. This is an old one. I don't know why. This is a closet. This is a bunch of boxes I still have. And this is my brother's bed. Yeah. This one, my mom had to put it as like a blanket. Also mine's too. And here we got is this bunch of, I don't know what it is. It's an AC. For well. This is the country stuff. My medium brother actually used like country stuff. Mostly my middle size brother. Yeah. He likes countries because he wants to learn about countries in some topics about countries. So this is the window looks like. Feels new. Even though this is the house I lived for like 7 years, but yeah. So this is my grandparents' room real quick. Yeah, hold on, give me a sec. Yup, the same stuff. Also, it's a chair. It's my grandparents so they can sit. Also, I want else too. This is the ring doorbell. Yeah, my parents want a ring doorbell. Maybe. Because they also want a doorbell. It's just a message from Wing, but also I didn't got a sound. Also, that's fine. Then we got drawers. They're kitchen drawers, so we got a bunch of random stuff. Here's the stuff look like, and here's the stuff look like this. The other side. So this one is for keys. This is just a random Amazon box. Yeah. See? Amazon. But even though I don't have a camera, this is a bike. This is and this is the outside looks like. This is my wife. Okay. This is the door, but this is Seth's home. It exactly looks like in the movie that we spent over. I think this is the door, so I think this is the guest room downstairs. So I don't want to show it because, yeah. So this is the furniture. I don't know. So this is stuff of the house tour. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. And I don't know if I'm gonna move in, so my parents decided to working in the house because they couldn't pay the mortgage instead, which I don't know why, but they had to spend the mortgage for 2 apartments. Yeah, 2. First of all, the first apartment with like 3 rooms, a kitchen, and of course a bathroom. And the other one, the third apartment, also has like 2 rooms right now. So some other builders are just working the third apartment, and my parents are still working on the first apartment, and me too. Also, we decided to give a break, so yeah, that's cool. And oh yeah, this is a thermometer. Yeah. And for somehow, I'm just checking the top. Checking. But hey. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. So bye. Time to make myself for the thumbnail right now. Tell me what's up for fun to help.